Hi again, fellow React developer. It is no secret that managing state and side effects in React can be a bit of challenge. That's where React hooks come in. In this video, I'm going to dive into three of the most important hooks that we should have in our arsenal: useMemo, useEffect, and useCallback. So, get ready to level up your React game. UseMemo. UseMemo is a hook that allows us to memoize a value. Memoization is an optimization technique that caches the result of a function so that it's called again with the same arguments. The cached result is returned instead of recalculating the value. Use this hook when you have a computationally expensive function, for example, sorting a list that is called often, and you want to optimize performance by caching the result. Here's an example. In this example, the result of the expensive operation is memoized using useMemo. The value will only be recalculated if the dependency array changes. useEffect. Now, useEffect is a hook that allows you to perform side effects in your components. By side effects, I mean things like fetching data, updating the DOM, and subscribing to events. Use this one when you want to perform a side effect in your component. Here's an example. Here we are fetching data using the useEffect hook. The effect only runs once on component mount because the dependency array is empty. useCallback. useCallback is a hook that returns a memoized callback function. It is similar to useMemo, but it is specifically for functions. Use this hook when you want to memoize a function. Here's an example. And also, here we are using useCallback to memoize the increment function. The function will only be recreated if the count value changes. Final thoughts. So, useMemo, useEffect, and useCallback are essential hooks that we should know. Use useMemo when you want to memoize a value, useEffect when you want to perform a side effect, and useCallback when you want to memoize a function. Remember to use these hooks wisely to optimize the performance of your React applications. Thank you for watching.